In this following episode of Summa Talkies, I'm in conversation with Sunil Gargyan, a Carnatic vocalist par excellence who also happens to be a grade A artist of the All India Radio. Stay tuned.
Go.
ஓகே சூப்பர் ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டோம். இரு நம்மளுடைய அந்த ஃபார்மல் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் நான் பண்ணி ஆகணும். 3 2 1 பட்டக்கே. ஓகே சூப்பர். ஒரு மணி நேரமாக வச்சு சாவடிச்சு என்னெல்லாமோ ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்த்து எல்லாமே ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்த்தாச்சு. அண்ட் ஃபைனலி we've gotten through a solution. All thanks to the man. I know, all thanks to the man, the guest. எல்லாமே நம்ம இது எதுக்காக பண்ணுறோம், யாருக்காக பண்ணுறோம் யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. சமூக சேவை பண்ணுறோமா கண்டிப்பாக கிடையாது. ஸோ இதில் அப்படியே பயங்கரமாக அதுதான் இதில் பயங்கரமாக ஒரு வேல்யூபிளாக எடுத்து சமூகத்தையே மாற்ற போகிறோன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறீங்களா? அதெல்லாம் கண்டிப்பாக கிடையாது. நான் 2 பேர் பார்ட்டே உட்காந்து அரட்டை அடிக்க போகிறோம். அவரை நான் பாடக்கூட வைக்க போகிறதில்ல. பிகாஸ் எல்லாரும் அதான் சொல்லுவாங்க, சார் நீங்கள் எங்கள் கூட லைவ் வந்துட்டீங்க சார் நீங்கள் எங்களுக்காக மங்களகரமாக ஒரு பிள்ளையார் பாட்டு ஆரம்பிக்கணும். நான் அதை கூட சொல்ல போகிறதில்ல. நான் மேபி அவங்கள பிள்ளைங்க மேலே ஒரு பாட்டு பாட சொன்னாலும் சொல்லுவேன். ஓகே, அது வேற, அது கெத்து இது வேற கெத்து, அது வேற கெத்து. ஓகே, வில் கீப் போத் ஆஃப் இட் டுகெதர். சரியா? ஓகே, சீரியஸ் நோட். இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஹலோ எவ்ரிபடி, சம்படி, நோபடி, ஆல்படி, 1 படி, 2 படி, 3 படி, 4 படி. ஓகே, சீரியஸ் நோட்டாக இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்லாம் நேற்று ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து நான் இது வந்து இப்படி ஒன்று ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன் சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது சுனில் வந்து நான் அந்த மாதிரி வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சேன் தலைவருக்கு வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சு, ப்ரோ பாருங்க ப்ரோ, ஏதாவது ஐடியா இருக்குதுன்னா பண்ணலாம் ப்ரோன்னு சொல்லும்போது இன் அபவுட் 2 minutes இமீடியட்லி ரிப்ளைட், ப்ரோ எனக்கு அதெல்லாம் பார்க்குறதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை ப்ரோ, நீ சொல்லு ப்ரோ, எப்போ பண்ணலாம், நம்ம வச்சு செய்யலாம் ப்ரோன்னு. இது வந்து on a very serious note, நான் ஒரு 5 years-ஆக தான் இருக்கேன் சென்னையில். lot of people might jump on to me saying you are being too judgmental, you have not met right people and all, but என்னுடைய கரெக்டாக போட்டார் பத்தியா இல்லை, பட் அந்த ஒரு பட் ஆன சீரியஸ் நோட் யாருமே வந்து இவ்வளோ ஸ்போர்ட்டிவாக எடுத்துட்டு பண்ணுறது கிடையாது. பிகாஸ் எனக்கு ஐ ஹேட் திஸ் லைஃப் லாங் திங். ஓகே, எனக்கு வந்து இப்படி 2 பேரை வச்சுட்டு வெட்டியாக பேசணும். Okay, because maybe you would not realize it because you're like very actively a part of the scene. எனக்கு what I've realized is the media, or there are a lot of people responsible for this, of course. ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு எல்லையை அவங்களே கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி you get that image. நார்மலாக அப்படி இருக்காது. you go talk to them, they talk back to you, which doesn't happen. but அவங்களுக்கும் நார்மலாக ஒரு டேஸ்ட் இருக்கும், 2 மீம்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரிலாம் யோசிக்கும்போது they don't think about that at all. ஐயோ என்ன இவெல்லாம் இப்படிலாம் பண்ணுறான், ஐயா தம்பி இவ்வளோலாம் ஷேர் பண்ணது, வை காண்ட் யூ ஷேர்? எனக்கு அந்த லாஜிக்கே புரிஞ்சது கிடையாது. பிகாஸ் ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் லைக், பஸ் ஹீ இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஹியூமன் பீங் ஃபார் த லவ் ஆஃப் காட். ஜஸ்ட் பிகாஸ் ஹீ இஸ் டூயிங் அன் ஆர்ட் ஃபார்ம் விச் இஸ் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம்லி ridiculously complicated doesn't separate him from being a human being or something. Okay. Totally. so having said that, எனக்கு வந்து it's such an honor today. வந்து நிறைய பேர் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணணும் அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லும்போது நான் வந்து கூப்பிட்டேன். For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do not follow the Carnatic music scene, his name is Sunil Gargyan. I'm so sorry if I'm not getting the surname right.
You're not the only person who have pronounced it wrongly, but yeah, I'm
so sorry.
Give you a freebie. It's
okay. வாய்ஸ் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டின்னு ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்குது. ஓகே, இது ஒரு 5 வருஷமாக தான் I've been trying to figure it out. சிலப்போ வரும், மோஸ்ட்லி வராது. and then this human being happens. okay கட் பண்ணுறதுமாங்கல்ல. ஸோ எனக்கு எப்போதுமே ஒரு இமேஜ் ஒன்று வரும். ஓகே, whenever I like hear Sunil's raga alapana. so for raga alapana is just you expanding on a particular ragam before you start a piece. okay, so that's what is basically a raga alapana all about. இதுக்கு மேலே என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா கூகுள் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, அது போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ பாயிண்ட் இஸ் whenever I see him sing a raga alapana, the picture that I get in my head is a chef's picture. Yeah, chef's picture na solren. Okay. I imagine a chef cutting his vegetables really quickly but precision ah cut பண்றது.
Oh, thank you bro.
Consistent ah இருக்கும். Cutting tak 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 னு போகும். கரெக்ட்டா முடியும். கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கும். You know, it's not like, oh listen, I can sing fast so I'll just sing everything fast. அது அப்படி கிடையாது. Because there's more to it, and of course தெரியாம ஒரு தெரியறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்ல, தெரியாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்ல. Everybody has that obsession with singing fast.
Correct.
But
correct.
People don't realize that the slowest you sing is what will make you better the fast. Okay.
and then the slowest oda and ஒரு beauty will be seen only when you push in just a little bit of fast phrases.
Exactly. Okay. So and the approach to singing was something which genuinely caught me. More than that, it was also his personality. He'll just normally talk to you like it's nothing and things like that. Carnatic musicians don't do this. I will place this on record. I don't care. I don't depend on them for business, so I'm good to go. Okay.
Absolutely.
But so having said
that's
that,
the fun in not being such a right.
Man of the hour, man for this episode, Sunil Gargyan. Okay. ஆமாம்மா, இதுக்கு கரெக்டாக ஒரு ஃப்ரேஸ் போட போகிறேன்னா அது என்ன ஃப்ரேஸ்ன்னு நீங்கள் ஃபைனல் எடிட்டில் பார்ப்பீங்க. செக்
Papa Mari, Papa Mari, Papa Mari, Pama, 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 Gari, Sa, Gari, Mabari, Gari, Gari, Sa, Yandara, Magano,
Okay. Illa, it won't be you singing, and it will be some other. It will be one of those trending Carnatic music memes. Madri adha onu pona. Okay.
So it's work for me.
Bro, நீங்க ஃபைனல் எடிட்ட பாருங்க ப்ரோ. பார்த்து செம்மையா நீங்க இன்னொரு ஒரு 4 பேரை சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க பாருங்க. அப்படி இருக்கும். Okay.
The list is going on actually. I'm making a huge list for you to have fun with.
அப்பா அவங்க நார்மலா பேச முடியணும் ப்ரோ. நம்ம ஏதாவது பேசிவிட்டு அவங்க கட் பண்ணி ஓடிவிட்டு இந்த பையன் எவனா ஏதோ பேசுறான் பாருன்னு பண்ணிட்டானுங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு பேசார ஆயிடும். பட் எஸ், ஐ கேன் இமேஜின். கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ஸோ சுனில், வாட்ஸ்அப் என்ன பண்றீங்க?
Second time tea அடி. But since we are doing this a small casual talk,
right.
Actually open up on some of my new projects.
Go for it.
Enna being locked down and being at home is actually not the musician kind of life. Traveling is like a daily thing.
It's an essential part of your life.
Essential part of living. So 3 மாசம் கச்சேரி எல்லாம் கேன்சல், ஒன்றுமே பண்ணாம மாத்தில் உட்காந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி trying to learn new stuff. And after being pushed a lot, I just have stepped one foot into video editing. So yeah.
Super bro. Hey bro, high five. high five. நானும் அதான் பண்றேன் bro. உட்காந்து இதுக்கு எவன் உட்காந்து பண்ணுவான்? நான் தான் உட்காந்து பண்ணுவேன். எல்லாத்தையும் உட்காந்து கட் பண்ணி. What software are you using?
I'm using this OpenShot video editor.
OpenShot video editor, okay.
Which is free and it's quite easy and it's intuitive, I guess.
I see.
For an amateur like me, it's helping a lot.
Super bro.
Adila my concert videos I'm trying to edit them. I'm trying to like do whatnot.
So are you, நீங்க தான் உங்க கான்செப்ட் பிளானர்லாம் நீங்க தான் போடுறீங்களா? So are you using this same video editor for that? அதாவது the images and all you put now?
First time I'm using. So நான் இது வரைக்கும் video editing பண்ணது இல்ல. Just record பண்றத just put it on Facebook.
Fair.
My YouTube channel is lying dormant for a long time.
Super.
Revive the channel of mine.
Super bro. So என்ன are you doing home recordings இல்ல நீங்க வேற யாரோடயாவது ஜாம் பண்ணி போடுற மாதிரி பண்றீங்களா? எப்படி பண்றீங்க?
Home recordings I don't post yet, but that's a good idea. I'll definitely keep that in mind, but mostly concert recordings போடுறதுதான் plan.
Right.
Fair. We'll have the co-artists with me and that will give a new flavor.
It'll give a new flavor. Fair enough. But bro, அதான் having said that, இது ஒன்று வந்து எடுத்து போடுறது ஒன்று இருக்கு, and What is your take on this live jam, bro?
Live
I think
jam.
it's a challenge. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயம் ப்ரோ அது. இந்த இன்ஸ்டா லைவ்லலாம் ஒரு 2 பேர் பேசுறதுக்குள்ளேயே உலகம் 4 கூடி போயிடுறது. I don't know how they do it, man. Like hats off to the musicians who do
really
it.
tough. Yes, correct. And given the magnitude of usage of the network, ஐயோ இப்போ ஒருத்தர் ராத்தியே ஒரு 5 பேர் இருந்தோம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. 5 பேர் we are using the same network.
Exactly.
And people watching movies, watching serials and watching videos and stuff, your bandwidth gets totally royally screwed.
I swear.
So, amidst that, managing a live jam, come on, it's very tough.
இல்ல அது டஃப்னு நம்ம சொல்லிக்கலாம் அவ்வளோதான். பட் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் them don't turn out to be that great, and this has nothing to do with the musician. இதை நான் முன்னாடி கூட ஒருத்தரோட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போது கூட அதான் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். It has nothing to do with the musician whatsoever.
But just சொல்றேன்.
ஆமா. So it's one this thing
Don't
only.
mind me.
Yeah, no problem. எதுவுமே எடிட் ஆக போகிறதில்ல அன்லெஸ் மேசிவ் ஒரு டிலே இருக்குது. அப்படி கட் ஆகுது இதாகுது இல்லை யாராவது நடுவில் கூப்பிட்றாங்க அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கு மட்டும் தான் எடிட். அதர்வைஸ் ஐ டோன்ட் பாதர் எடிட்டிங். ஐ எடிட் இஃப் ஐ ஹேவ் டு லைக் பிளேஸ் சம்திங் எல்ஸ் இன் த மிடில் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபில்லர் மாதிரி ஏதாவது போடணும்னா. சுனில் ஏய் தேங்க்ஸ். ஏய் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தீங்களா உட்காந்து? ஏய் சூப்பர் 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 சூப்பர். சுனில் எனக்கு I don't know, just take me through of what got you started and இன்னைக்கு see let's face it, you are in the Chennai scene or even in scenes otherwise, right? இப்போ ஒரு proper Carnatic music listener-க்கு வந்து you are somebody who's like oh man this person's up and coming and you keep a watch out for him and அந்த ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ்ல தான் இருக்கீங்க. What has the journey been? அதாவது சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து நீங்கள் I know your mother, your parents have been very this thing instrumental in like pushing you to this, but what got you started? அந்த ஜேர்னியை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் if you take me through that will be great. I'll also try pitching in bro. நானும் ஒரு 5 வருஷமாக கற்றுக்கலான்னு இருக்கேன் ப்ரோ. தப்பாக நினச்சிக்காதீங்க ப்ரோ.
So you know, belonging to a Tambaram family, you are good in 2 things. Especially one, music.
ஆமா.
Second, cricket. There is no one Tambaram family who doesn't bitch about cricket.
Fair enough.
Am I right? So
Fair enough.
Appa வந்து being a cricketer, he played for his office, Aegis office, TNCA division. He was a division cricketer.
Right.
And வீட்டில் முக்காவாசி பேர் they were into music.
Right.
Fans of music.
Right.
என்னோட அப்பாவோட சைடில் அம்மா அப்பாவோட அம்மா, that is பாட்டி.
Okay.
She learned music when she was very young.
I see.
She sings very well. என்னோட அம்மா, she learned music.
Super.
So எப்படின்னா when I was born, ஆத்துல 24/7 there will be some music. Mainly Maharajapuram Santanam Tatas. So
predominantly Carnatic music.
Yeah, I used to reproduce that. Like when I was 2 and a half. So that's how it started.
அது சரி.
சரி பையன் ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் இது காமிக்கிறான், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் காமிக்கிறான், why don't we put in music ஏன்னா ஆரம்பிச்சா சின்ன ஸ்டண்ட் தான் அது.
Right. Yeah man, that's lovely. And அதாவது எப்படி இருந்தது bro? How was it balancing everything? இப்போ ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்லலாம் ஒன்று பாகதரேன்னு ஒன்று பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, அந்த ஒரு நிக்நேம் ஒன்று வந்திருக்கும். பின்ன ரெண்டாவது வந்து ஏய் சிங்கரே ஏய் சாமி பாட்டு பாடுறேன். ஸோ ஹவ் வாஸ் இட் இப்போ? பிகாஸ் யூ ஹவ் கான்ஷியஸ்லி டேக்கன் தட் டெசிஷன் டு நாட் சிங் ஃபார் மூவிஸ். And for people who have like come this far, if you're coming this far, it's a personal choice. சரியா? ஒருத்தர் வந்து பாடுறது இல்லைன்னா என்னதுன்னு அதெல்லாம் வந்து சொல்கிறதுக்கு I don't think anyone has this thing, because it's 2 completely different voice production techniques. What I have realized.
Absolutely, yes. It is very complicated.
I have very minuscule studio experience, but whatever little I have seen, the way you record in a studio for a film song and the way you probably would record a devotional song vis-a-vis in the studio is a very different ball game. So if one doesn't want to meddle with one another,
really,
it's completely okay. So yeah, you were saying. Sorry.
So it was initially tough, you know, being a son of a cricketer. You naturally go into playing sports, right?
Right.
And I played all kinds of sport, be it badminton, be it football, be it cricket, ellame. Never in a professional angle.
Right.
it was very hard. ஏன்னா ஆத்ல உட்காந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுங்கிறது இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி ஹார்ட் திங் டு டூ அண்ட் anyone who has been doing any kind of art will know that. வீட்டில் உட்காந்து ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணணும்னா இட்ஸ்
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். My parents don't understand that, but that's the best part, okay? ஒண்ணுமே பண்றது பாரு, சனியா இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுறது? You just like I understand.
Come on, give me a break. I know. But again, you have to see the flip side. நான் படிச்ச ஸ்கூல் வந்து it was very 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 supportive. விவேகானந்த வித்யாலயா பேர்லயே இருக்கு.
Mylapore times. Yeah, I know.
Very dharmic school. And
for those of you who don't know, Mylapore is a lifestyle in Chennai. If someone says that is an area, you need to slap them right in the face, because when you get into Mylapore, if you get in with shots, no, moral police will come and they'll shoot you right in the head, okay? That is one thing. Exactly. Second thing is, schools there are very supportive because you're either a musician or you're some skilled person in something else. So the minute they say musician, so that's like the face that literally gleams out. So that's Mylapore for you. People who don't know, just Wikipedia it. Yes bro, correct. Sorry.
And moving away from Mylapore, I've not even been in the city. I've always been outside the
Ama. Yeah.
Every if I have to make a trip to Chennai, they'll kid me like, oh, பக்கத்து ஊர்ல இருந்து நான் வரேன் ரொம்ப பெரிய கஷ்டமாச்சு.
Mylapore people are too much, bro. Yo, Mylapore people are too much, dude. They'll get out and they'll go like till some Saidapet or something. இதென்ன ஊருக்கு வெளியில வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. Oh my god, அப்படி இப்படிலாம் சொல்றாங்க. சும்மா அடிச்சு I swear bro, damn pissing off this. அதனால ஒரு தனி உலகம் தான் இல்ல, because எங்க அம்மா actually I live I don't live as outskirt as you. I'm like in the beginning of the outskirts rather. Okay, அதாவது அவங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்பல இருந்துமே இருந்துச்சு மயிலாப்பூர்ல வந்து எங்கேயாவது ஒன்று பார்க்கணும், மயிலாப்பூர்ல வந்து ஏதாவது ஒன்று பார்க்கணும், பிகாஸ் மை மம் இஸ் ஒன் டெம்பிள் ஹெட். ஓகே, ஆமா, ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஹர் பிஸ்னஸ் டு கோ அண்ட் சிட் இன் டெம்பிள்ஸ் ஆல் த டைம். She is so dharmic that the pujari will look at her and will be like, Amma. Okay, he will feel less dharmic despite being in front of the statue and doing puja every time. Okay, so she's that kind of a person. அப்போ அவங்க வந்து எப்போதுமே மயிலாப்பூர்ல ஏதாவது பார்க்கணும். I'm like, what are you saying? Have you seen how cramped that street is? I don't want to sit in a cramped street. I'd rather travel down whatever number of kilometers it is to just see. That's one flip side. But on the other side, of course, as a budding Carnatic musician, I think it's safe haven. Adu solradhukku illa, very convenient. That's true.
Again, adu solrene, even though it's convenient and stuff, the time that you take from, I mean, if I have to leave my house for a concert, let's say around 6:30 in the evening,
right,
I have to leave at 4:15 maximum.
Of course.
And the time la I can channel my thought into how I should approach the concert. And every before each and every concert I go to my guru's place and take his blessing. So
hey, that's lovely.
That gives me a great start to the day, to the concert.
Right.
When you are close to something, you take it for granted. You're like, I got time irke, I can get ready in 10 minutes and I can just go.
Interesting.
So there's a catch. Not everyone can manage that time. So being far away from a place gives you the...
It probably teaches you the value of that place.
Yes, exactly. Well,
I understand what you're saying.
The flip way of seeing stuff.
Fair enough. How has your approach been to music, right from an audience to a performer, and then from a performer to an audience? So now you're a performer as well as an audience, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So how do you, as a Carnatic musician, how do you look at it, and what is your worldview and what do you take out of it? Like adu eppadi, how is that process? Ipo கேக்கணும், listening னு சொல்றாங்கல்ல, அது வந்து I want you to sort of put it in a more articulate manner, because in the listening வந்து is something which is என்ன சொல்றது, listening னு சொல்லிட்டு people just go away. What to listen, how to listen, take breaks, whatever it is, and the approach, if you can sort of break it down a little bit, no, so that people can figure it out.
Yeah,
that would be great.
Oh, it's a very complex question, but I'll try to.
I know. Yeah. I'm sure you can.
First, initially, when you are just a student, you're just a student and you're going to listen to concerts. You're sitting there.
Right.
As a student, what you do, you try to learn as much as you can,
Fair.
and you try to imbibe that stuff and practice at home if you are really
Mm.
serious about it.
Fair.
And it also depends on what kind of artist you are looking at, and who's your inspiration, what's your thing. அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு.
Right.
When I was just a student,
Right.
I had attended a spectrum of artists, like say starting
Right.
from Sanjay sir,
Hmm.
Vijay Shiva sir,
Hmm,
Sesagopal
hmm,
Mama.
Right.
That அந்த league of artists லேந்து my
Right.
என்ன சொல்றது generation people
Right.
வரைக்கும் I've attended all kinds of concerts and all kinds of artists performances. So initially my mindset or the need was to see how they approach the list of songs
Right.
they chose and
Right.
the mood that they put forth.
Right.
You have to, as much as you are performing for yourself, you have to perform for the audience
Also. Fair.
sitting there. That's
Very
the
true.
main part of being a professional musician, performer.
A performer. Right.
So
Mm.
அது வந்து initially it's very hard to find. ஏன்னா நம்ம வந்து will be in the audience, whereas you won't be able to see each and every of those faces.
அப்படி.
It won't be like nice. It will be rude when you keep seeing others when you're sitting
Right.
in the audience.
Yeah, because you have your thing to like focus on too.
Correct. And
Fair.
your major concentration would be on the main artist who is singing there.
Right.
So அப்போ வந்து you don't realize the audience pulse. You are one of the audience, yeah. So you don't realize the pulse of the audience. Because உனக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சிருக்குன்றது உனக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா நீ தலையாட்டுவ. இல்லையா you will cringe a bit if you
Right.
don't like it.
Fair.
If you do it internally, it's very good.
Right.
ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாம இருந்தா better. So
Right.
And ஒருத்தர் see I'm being very frank here. ஒரு சில
Go for it, man.
we go just to criticize. Because you don't.
Yeah,
you don't
totally.
favor that artist. I
Totally.
won't
Bro, this is
believe
like 95% of the Chennai scene. What are they coming up? I just don't understand it. I'm like, dude, you have come dressed up. Okay. So
Yeah.
first of all, I don't understand people who come in audience wearing some God knows how many jewelry and whatnot. And this applies to both the genders. I'm not like typecasting here or something. This even applies to male audiences, because you people have raised out your expectations ridiculously. Okay, to the
Yes.
point. Like, see, I am probably a nobody, so people will not care. But say if someone like Sunil, if he just steps into the academy wearing whatever he wants, and by whatever I want, I'm not asking him to wear pajama pants, man. I'm asking him to like wear like a decent shirt and a pant. Someone just comes to him and he's like, why aren't you dressed for the attire? I'm like, excuse me, he has nothing to do with this concert. He's just an audience who's coming and listening to it for his pleasure.
Absolutely.
And so I don't understand what's like என்ன யோசிச்சு பண்றீங்க. நல்லா முணுக்குன்னு ட்ரெஸ் போட்டுன்னு வந்து குறை சொல்றதுக்கு இவ்வளவு தூரம் வரீங்கன்னா you need a counselor. I'm sorry, you need therapy. And therapy
actually,
is not a bad thing, by the way.
Correct. And on the flip side, people, how much ever you try, people relate you to what you're doing. So if you are a performer, if you are an artist, there is 0 to 2% of private life with you. 98% is public life for you.
Right.
And when you are seen in a scene of, say, a few musicians or at a concert,
Yeah.
you have to dress well, because it goes with the, I mean, let alone people will judge you. அதெல்லாம் கூட வேண்டாம். If you are presenting yourself, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து see, you're a business tycoon.
Right.
Going to a meeting is something different, and going to
Yeah.
a public gathering is something different. You cannot go in Bermudas and
Fair.
t-shirt,
Fair.
wearing a funky t-shirt to a public gathering. Of course, you are a private person there. You're not a corporate person there. They'll attach your appearance to the resume that you carry.
Fair.
Adanala, I won't complain people dressing up and coming to the concert, but the point that you pointed out, like coming just to complain or to find faults, I don't see the purpose there.
Fair. Because I kind of don't believe in this thing. I understand with the fact that it's gotten to do even with the artists just coming out and just portraying, but I think இது வந்து இது நிறைய பேர் நம்ப மாட்டாங்க, நிறைய பேர் வந்து பாட்டை கேட்டுட்டு போயிடலாமேலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் ஐ திங்க் இட்ஸ் அபவுட் டைம் தட் வி ஸ்டார்ட் செப்பரேட்டிங், வி மேக் ஷுர் தட் தி ஆர்ட் அண்ட் தி ஆர்டிஸ்ட் ஆர் த சேம் பர்சன். ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு சுனில் இஸ் ஏபிள் டு சிங் இன் அ சர்டன் கெப்பாசிட்டி அண்ட் இன் அ சர்டன் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டி, தட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஹூ ஹி இஸ். And if I'm probably not able to sing in a way, or if I'm like, you know what, I just want to put a Virutham on some stupid 2-3 lyrics, that is me. It has nothing to do with him or with anybody else or with any other factor coming in. So I guess, and I'll be honest to you, I personally feel it's a very Chennai thing. Because I've always realized, நான் பெங்களூர்லேயும் கச்சேரி போய் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, எனக்கு வந்து ஸோ I'll tell you a little bit about myself. என்னோட கச்சேரி ஹாப்பிங் or my rather listening experience as a serious audience only started when I started learning it properly, which was about 5 years back. கலாச்சேத்ராவில் ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது எங்களுக்கு வந்து they take right from basics, அடிமட்ட பேசிக்ஸ்லேருந்து they start. Okay, and
which is the best.
Yeah, but to the point, எனக்கு ஏதாவது என் நாலேஜ் எவ்வளோ இருந்துச்சுன்னா நான் சொல்கிறேன், நடுவில் உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கிறாருல அவர் பாடுவார், அவர் ஒன்றும் வாசிக்கிறார் பார்த்தீங்களா, அது வயலுன்னு, இது மிருதங்கம், அது பின்னாடி வச்சுட்டு அது கடம், எனக்கு எவ்வளோ மியூசிக் தெரியும் தெரியுமா. I was in that point. I was genuinely in that point. Okay, so I had to genuinely work my way upனா எனக்கு என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு புரிஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கல. நடுவுலலாம் ஏதோ பண்ணுறாங்க, ஏதோ பாடுறாங்க, ஏதோ நடக்குது, என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு ஒன்றுமே புரியலை. ஸோ எழுத ஆரம்பிச்சு just to get it together so that even I could sing and I could like appreciate it, and if not at least sing, at least try appreciating that what is happening and stuff like that. Unfortunately now I'm at a place where I'm like able to travel with them and things, where I can to some extent travel with the musician of to a certain extent. Oh, idu pandranga, adha pandranga, idha pandranga. Oh, I can also somewhat, you know, travel with the musician or what he's expecting, he's trying to communicate across. But I think in the adha sonna madri, can I be honest to you, I think it's a very 7-kilometer thing. I call it the 7-kilometer rule. 7-kilometer rule is a rule where you have areas in and around Mylapore where basically all your December music season happens. Okay, now this is just me. December music season is a vacation for people to just come and indulge in cultural bliss. Okay. We are in this city 12 months. Every year we are there. These people are coming from 2 months. Okay, so just because they are dressed at their best, you please do not expect people to get dressed at their best. As much as Sunil is telling it's about the artists and everything, I think you should let them be, let them breathe. They are also human beings.
Correct.
Okay,
correct.
they are not from another planet. Before somebody comes and says, இல்லப்பா நீங்க ஒன்று பண்ணுங்க, புட்ட நடுவில் அப்படி போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படியே எனக்கு பகவான் காணுதுன்னா வேண்டாம். Don't want.
It's very subjective and personal. Yes.
Fair, but we could do away with that, I guess.
Yes,
but,
yes, absolutely. And
yeah,
no, not even kidding. I've been in audience at various places, as you said,
right,
in the US, in Australia, wherever.
Whatever.
But you don't come across judgy people as in you say in Chennai.
Very true.
Because they are very close to us. They see us like at least once in a month, and they relate to us in such a way that you have to maintain that kind of a figure all the time, which is
possible. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. So on the Ipo, of course, very very small minor lot na, I'm saying about 2% of this entire, let's say 100 sample space, there are 2 people who are like that probably, who are like, exactly, he's on stage, that's a different thing. When he's off stage, why are we even bothering? But yeah, man, I think it's a long way to go, and I think it can I be honest to you, I think it actually is completely dependent on the artists as well. To a large extent, I feel this.
Yes.
Because when it's too good to be true, but what I'm saying is nadakadhu idala. But what I'm saying is, if each of them are conscious enough to just say that, hey, you know what, that side of mine is me doing it good because I have to survive, and this side of mine is just me being me. So if you can't accept me for what this is, then
this is the me in me who has to be the me.
So the me resides in this as me, is residing in all of that as me, so that me, through this me, talking to me.
கருத்துடா போட்டாரா கருத்து. ஓகே ஸோ பட் யா பிகாஸ் எனக்கு எப்போதுமே I've had that hey you know what why you know because எனக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போதெல்லாம் கலாட்சேத்திரத்தில் இருக்கும்போதுமே they used to always have this it was an alumni performing, okay? Alumni performance, so I normally don't like going for any of these late night stuff, especially when college was going on. அதை முடிச்சா அங்கேயே 4 பாட்டு எடுப்பாங்க. இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் என்ன நடக்குதுன்னே புரியல. இதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு உட்காந்து பண்ணணும். இதுக்கு மேலே அந்த பாட்டு வர கற்றுக்கணும்னு சொல்லும்போது எனக்கு செம்ம காண்டாகும். ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் கம் எனிவேர், பட் இட் வுட் பி லைக் ஒன் ஓப்பன் ரூல் மாதிரி, போயே ஆகணும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒன்று இருக்கும். வரலன்னா நீ ஏன் வரல, உனக்கு பாக்கியம்லாம் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் the people start talking. I'm just like, dude, I don't want this. I'm like, dude, I don't want this anymore, dude. I don't want this in my life, dude. But life, I guess. Okay. So ஒரு நாளைக்கு போனேன். போய் and I used to live alone. அப்போ பேச்சுலரா I used to live alone. Now I live with my family and all. அப்போ வந்து என்னாச்சு, எல்லாம் மினுக்குன்னு போட்டுன்னு வந்துருந்தானுங்க ப்ரோ. என்னெல்லாமோ it was, you name it, it was there. Okay. Any brand of any brand, it seems true, any brand of sari that was there, you will find it. Any brand of jewelry, you will find it. Like it was an exhibition mela that was basically happening there. Okay. அப்போ என்னாச்சு, நான் போனேன் போய் இந்த மாதிரி and I was very casually dressed. நான் ஒரு நார்மலாக ஒரு ஷர்ட்டு போட்டுட்டு I was wearing jeans போட்டு போகும்போது, so obviously I was late. Since I was late, and the minute you get in, this is also such a Chennai thing, you know, the minute somebody gets in, everybody fucking morons. So everyone's like checking me out. I'm like, yeah, thanks for checking me out. I feel very socially validated now. And program and all gets done, and I find myself a place to sit and stuff. Program gets done. You will not believe, a person literally comes and tells me, do you know where are you studying? I'm like, last I checked, yes. And I actually was very serious to him because I didn't know he was what he was intending to convey. Okay. Because I was still getting used to the city in general and stuff. Appo வந்து he was like, you are an upcoming artist. This is not dress. I'm like, sir, the last I checked it is. And I mean, he kept telling that, and I was just like, sir, can you give me a good laundry's number so that I can make sure that even when I'm sleeping, no, I'll wear a kurta pajama, and when the laundry bill comes, you will be the one who will be responsible for paying it. That's it. Shut shop. So probably I can do that as an audience, but you can't do that as an artist because it will just get carried away and whatnot. But the point is that, yeah, like, you can get so this thing. How much, அதாவது வந்து so how much of it is image and how much of it is what not, அதெல்லாம் I think the pure essence of music is somewhere getting lost, but it's not completely getting lost as long as 7 kilometer rule is applicable. I think that will never get lost. But
no, let them go, right?
I swear, bro, 7 kilometer rule is applicable, bro. It's applicable everywhere, bro.
Very much.
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல bro. I go to Bangalore, okay. I don't blame the Bangalore audience, but then I see the crowd there. Yeah,
I felt that, like, actually,
go for it.
I had a
Go for it.
concert
You'll know
in
it.
Malleshwaram. People from KR Puram were like, that's too far. I'm sorry. I'll come for the next concert.
இப்பெல்லாம் மெட்ரோ இருக்குது. அவனாவது எதையாவது ஃபார் இகிரலாம் சொன்னான்னு வச்சுக்கேன், you go
like,
give them a bashing.
Yeah. I mean, the traffic there is insane. Okay, I get
அதுக்கு தான் ப்ரோ. ஸோ கோல்டன் ரூல் ஆஃப் தம்ப், ஓகே. பெங்களூர் போனேன்னா உங்கள் வீடு மெட்ரோ ஸ்டேஷன்லேருந்து 3 கிலோமீட்டர் ரேடியஸில் இருக்குதுன்னா நீ என் ஃப்ரெண்டு, இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு உனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. தட் இஸ் த கோல்டன் ரூல் தட் யூ நீட் டு ஹேவ் ஆல்வேஸ், ஓகே. செம்மையாக ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகும்போது. ஆமாம். ஸோ சுனில், ஸோ டெல் மீ சம் ஆஃப் யுவர் கான்சர்ட் ஹை மூமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் இன் யுவர் கெரியர் ஹை மூமெண்ட் ஏதாவது ஒன்று இருக்கும்ல ப்ரோ. அது நடந்துச்சு ப்ரோ, செம்மையாக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ சம்திங் தட் ஜஸ்ட் மேக்ஸ் யூ ஸ்டில் திங்க் இல்லை அப்பா இப்படிலாம் ஒன்று நடந்துச்சா நம்மளோட, யூ ஜஸ்ட் திங்க் வாட் இஸ் தட்?
Okay,
something.
I might sound very diplomatic and very polished here, but
don't worry, I will make sure that you don't sound like that, because after that I will say, I will put one statement after that you tell.
But being able to learn music and perform it, it's a very, very, very big blessing. That's what
Satyama.
I consider myself being
Satyama.
a very blessed person.
So true.
Number two, I've had such beautiful gurus. நான் முதல்ல கற்றுண்ட பாஷ்யம் சார் ஆட்டம் சரி, he is very nearby. He lives
Okay.
in Tambaram.
Okay.
3 years நான் அவட்ட கற்றுண்டேன்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எத்தனை வருஷமா?
Sorry?
எத்தனை வருஷம்?
3 years அவட்ட கற்றுண்டேன்.
3 years. Okay, right.
From me being 3-year-old kid to say around 6.5 years, I learned from him. And அதுக்கப்புறம் from P.V. Srirangachari sir, who's a disciple of Sri T.N. Seshagopalan Mama.
Right.
அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு 7 வருஷம் கற்றுண்டேன்.
சம ப்ரோ.
So, and the time, எப்படி சொல்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல, எந்தெந்த டைமில் என்னென்ன கிடைக்குங்கிறது you have no control with it, right?
வரும்போது வரும், அது அவ்வளோதான். அது ஒன்றுமே பிரயோஜனமே கிடையாது. அதை பற்றி யோசிச்சு டென்ஷன் பண்ணி
divine intervention I had Gangadhari sir at the right age, at the right time.
Right.
So was PSN Mama. PSN Mama, you know, PSN Mama or a disciple na சொல்லிக்கிறதுக்கே எவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒரு.
So for those of you who don't know, PSN Mama is rather the lovable alias that is for this amazing of a musician called as Vidwan Shri P.S. Narayana Swami. And I don't know, man. I don't think we have this thing to comment on his musicianship or stature, because
Absolutely no.
most of the people who you see performing in the Carnatic music circuit, it's absolutely been him, and it's been nobody else. So like a lot of them have now sort of like, of course now he's unable to take classes a lot because of his old age and things like that. So a lot of them at some point or another in their life were like performing actively in the Chennai scene and are called as a Carnatic musician, like a proper Carnatic musician, are are considered to be learning under PSN Mama for a while. So
One minute.
there's that. So yeah, that is PSN Mama for you. Yeah, extraordinary Carnatic musician, and there's that.
Yeah, look at my lucky as being pampered all the time. I had Sriram Parthsarthi Anna helping me.
Right.
Varadarajan Anna helping me. He lives very close by from here.
Oh, okay.
And the people I had classes with, say A.S. Murali sir, C.R. Vaidyanathan sir, Abhishek Anna, Bhavandi Anna, you name any top artist that's singing right now. I've had the privilege of going to class with them. Rather, I won't say I was singing with them. I was always shit scared and I shitted my pants all the time.
Bro, that is us in every class, bro. That's me in every class, bro. Now, usually I'll sit and practice and I'll get the Kriti and all, okay? And then no, a guru from the other end will be, so I learn under this with one called as C.R. Vaidyanathan. Okay, he'll be like, you sing. That's all. Flat. All practice, everything gone. I'll be like, yo, what is this? What is this life? So yeah, I understand.
Get out of my body, you idiot. Someone has occupied me right now.
I swear, that's what it is. That's what it literally is.
Yeah, so, and the turning points in my career would be, and இதெல்லாம் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, apart from this concert experience, I was put into the concert performance stage at a very early age. Like I was 5 years old when I gave my first performance. So
Okay.
இடம் கண்டு பயமறியாதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா.
அந்த மாதிரி. Okay.
On that stage, when you will be just fearless, you will be வாய்க்கு வந்ததெல்லாம் பாடுவோம்.
Nice.
So if you are pushed into a field at that young age, you won't even hesitate doing that.
Interesting.
Hesitation comes when you learn a lot of things, when you judge what's going around you, when you get a hang of the things that are around you. இப்போ நம்ம PSN Mama ஆத்துக்கு போகும்போது கிளாஸுக்கு போகும்போது you won't sing whatever comes to your mind when you are sitting with Abhishek Anna, Balamali Anna, stuff. People like those, you will be sitting dumb as a doll.
Right.
இதுவே கொஞ்சம் சின்ன வயசா இருந்தா பாடுவோம், அப்போ அதிக பிரச்சனை சொல்ல மாட்டான்.
Right.
When you age,
ஒரு பாயிண்ட் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் they'll be like, what are you doing?
Yeah. So, and concert experience, I've had such great musicians
Right.
sharing stage with me, like
Right.
Ganapati Anna, Ganadhiraman Anna, Shivaraman Anna, Animati Venkata Subramaniam Anna, Ambika Prasad Anna, Rahul Anna, from my very young age.
Okay.
He has been there. He has
For the
been-
record, these are amazing senior Carnatic musicians,
Musicians,
and by senior, I'm just not saying they're old or something like that. There have been people who've been in the field for the longest of times. So for
Yes.
them to just accompany anybody at
Such
the
a
artist,
young kid.
yeah, for such a young kid, it's a big thing. So needs a lot of heart.
Yeah, it is.
So that's that. Yeah.
And I don't know, man. It's just God has been kind to me. Beautiful parents, beautiful gurus, beautiful stages.
Right.
Beautiful people like you, like making me feel blessed. And
Awesome.
See, it's something you share with a person that it makes you talk.
Right.
We don't just go and talk with everyone.
Fair enough.
Yes, right.
Fair enough.
அதான் சொல்றேன், my circle has been very என்ன சொல்றது, kind to me. சொல்லப்போனா.
Right. Right.
I've always benefited from them,
Right.
and I've had this luxury.
Right.
I'll say it as a luxury because
Fair.
not everyone gets this.
Exactly.
That's how. And recently, I had the honor of sharing stage with Rajarao Mama.
Oh wow. Okay.
Before that, Thiruvaru Bhaktavachalam Mama.
Okay.
It has been magical.
How was that, dude? Like let's face it. Okay, so I'm sort of trying to get this away to a little bit of the realistic side.
Yeah.
How is it when a super senior accompanist or a super senior co-musician, I don't know, I don't like using the word accompanist because I find that a little too ridiculous for me.
Love tuba.
So what is that experience, man? Like just being with them on stage. Like sometimes, no, I'll be honest to you, okay. There have been times like where I've seen some of these senior musicians. I'm just so scared to even go in front of them. So
Literally.
you as a person, you sit and give a freaking 2.5 hours, 3 hours concert. What is that experience like, dude? One thing is that you have things gushing down your veins and everything is happening, but how do you control it? How do you control it? And you're like, okay, boss, there are people here. I have to like
Diapers
get
handy
together.
because you'll shoot yourself.
Straight to the
Don't
point.
wear white clothes.
I swear,
Don't spoil.
Basarthu kotti, it will be like one black, brown, and all colors it will have. I swear.
Yeah. I mean, on a serious note, those are the people who make the stage most comfortable.
Oh wow, lovely.
Literally. I've had the privilege of performing with Chandru Mama. Chandru Mama ஆத்துக்கு போய் இந்த மாதிரி be requested.
Could you just tell his full name just for other listeners in case they don't
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
And that is Sangeeta Kalanidhi Shri M. Chandrasekharan Mama,
Yes.
a violin virtuoso.
Yeah.
People who have been listening to Carnatic music will know what Chandru Mama is.
Dude, I have seen him play, you know, from when? So for those of you who don't know, there is this thing called the Tyagaraja Akhandam that happens, and this happens during Shivratri, okay? Where all of them go to Thiruvarur and people just keep singing. So you have to keep singing Tyagaraja Swami's composition and it should be repeated. So that's the catch
Yes,
there, okay?
exactly.
Now, of course, see, singers, let's face it, everyone's going to be like, oh, you know, I'm going to be like that, and everyone comes. It's literally one Indian Idol, okay? It's literally one Carnatic music version of Indian Idol, which is happening in Tanjavur. So it's just a romantic tale happening right there. But the point of it is, okay, no, this is a feeling that I have, okay? A lot of people don't really acknowledge the co-musicians there, and everybody it rotates around the singer or the person in the middle, which kind of gets a little ridiculous. Because I watched Chandrasekhar sir play. Dude, he started at say some 10 or 11 hours. So after a set of concerts, he just sat. He went on till 10 or 12 in the night. He didn't even take a break to eat. Can you imagine? Okay, one thing is you're blissed in music, but man, without food, without that, and he's just playing on and on and on and on and on and on, yeah, non-stop he played, and I mean, oh, dude, like just imagining about it itself like makes me drain away so much, and
Yeah,
with that caliber he did it. You just know this passion that he has for music. It's just It's just too much. Yeah, it's just too much. Yeah.
And people who don't know about Chandru Mama, he's a person who's visually challenged, who lost his
Yes. Yes. Please.
from
Thanks
very
for
early
mentioning that. Yeah. Mm.
childhood. Imagine being able to accompany musicians who are like mathematical geniuses on stage without even
And he
looking at the
replicates
card.
it. And he replicates it. He replicates the
Yeah.
same damn thing, dude. I'm just like, what is
And
happening
he
here?
puts you to shame at
I
places, like,
swear.
he'll go one step ahead of you and he'll
Exactly.
இதானே சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னு
Ah,
That's
எவ்வளோ பாத்திரப்பா யோ மதுரையோ on this thing.
Oh my God.
Man, it's insane. It's
So-
just absolutely insane.
Coming back to your question,
Yeah, yeah.
when we approached Chandru Mama, Appa and I, we
Okay.
approached Chandru Mama and requested if he'll be able to bless me on stage.
Right.
He was like, நிச்சயமாம்மா நான் உன்னை பற்றி கேட்டுருக்கேன் வாசிக்கிறேன் ஒரு நல்ல சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் வாசிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி he accepted.
Right.
The second thing that he told me
Hmm.
or asked me to do was,
Right.
நீ லிஸ்ட் போடுறத கொஞ்சம் சொல்லிடுமா ஏன்னா see people who are musicians who are listening and aspiring musicians or young students who are listening to this,
Right.
please don't be ashamed to ask what the list of the concert is.
Oh no, not at all.
Please don't be ashamed.
Please,
because
I swear.
the singer prepares for a concert at least a month well in advance.
Yeah. Yes.
Don't be shy enough to ask what the list is. At least
I think
for the
so. I think
Manodharma
I'll tell
musicians.
you what happens. Okay, I think that comes down from the spontaneity that it's made to look like. See, I'm not saying there's no spontaneity involved, but there are still core points that you people have an understanding within yourself, but it's put across so eloquently that people can't really figure out the planning between you people. So people think, oh, people just come there and they just come do all this. No. You don't do that with Carnatic music, please. Dude, you don't do that with the indie band set list. You don't do that on an open mic, dude. Don't be that person. Good
Yeah.
lord. Yeah.
Chandru Mama, it's not demeaning Chandru Mama's proficiency
No, not
or
at all.
anything.
Not at all.
His sincerity towards music and
Yeah.
the performance in the whole, because he doesn't have any need to ask such a junior, not even a dust in the universe when it compares with Chandru Mama.
Fair.
But he took that effort and he
It's like,
was
what are you actually
"என்ன
doing?"
பாட போற?
Yeah.
வரணும் என்ன இப்படி வெச்சுக்கலாமே. He was so supportive. And
Super, yeah.
one other thing that he told me that நான் இருக்கேங்கிறத நினச்சிக்காத, நீ ஸ்டேஜில் இருந்தேன்னா நீ தான் பெரிய ஆள் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு பாடு.
Nice. Very nice.
நான்
That's really
இருக்கேன்னு
lovely.
கடைசி வரைக்கும் வராது வாயிலேருந்து. நீ பெரிய ஆள், உனக்கு என்ன தோன்றதுங்கிறத பாடு, உனக்கு சாதகம் பண்ணியிருக்கிறத பாடு.
Right. I actually have a
I'll-
similar.
I'll
yeah.
come
Just finish us, and then I'll
Yeah.
come with mine.
I'll support you.
Hmm.
I'll be there. I'll shadow you. That's what Chandru Mama told, and that's what
Lovely,
Ishwar
yeah.
Mama told. That's what Bhakta Mama told. That's what Rajarao Mama told. They made me very, very, very comfortable. And
Right.
you know, that pressure creeps in.
Of course.
But try to be yourself, which is
Mm.
very tough. Yeah, I
Mm.
know. It's like going on crease number 3 on a World Cup final to get 250
I swear.
in 45 hours.
That'll be like
It's
some
not easy,
massive
yeah,
pressure
it's not
dropping
easy.
right there.
Yeah. But you have to be yourself. You have to express yourself.
Right.
That's why you're there. That's why you're the best of
Fair.
a lot.
Fair. That's pretty well put actually. But so coming back to that entire thing, no, where you're like, don't worry that it's me being on this thing and just you be you. So we have an exam, okay? So we have 2 concerts. One we have to give at the temple, and the Kartika Somavaram is this thing where right after Diwali, where you have a set of Mondays where it's supposed to be very auspicious, and also you perform at this thing, and as Kalakshetra students, as final year students, you're supposed to give one concert there, okay?
Okay.
Now coming back to that bit where you were like, since I was there in a young age, so for me getting into stage wasn't very difficult. For me, I was shitting my pants because I have never really given a Carnatic music performance before that, right? So I was just like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna get into this. And I remember it was like the day of the concert, and this is my first time ever on stage, that too on a and this happens in Marindiswarar Kovil every year, okay? For those of you who don't know, Marindiswarar Kovil is this extremely old Shiva temple, which is in this place called Thiruvanmiyur. I'll probably just write about it or something like that. Let's just look it up. Okay, so Marindiswarar temple happened, and the only thing that I had in my head is, my first song, I was a little mumbly jumbly. First time I'm singing a Carnatic music performance with a mic being put in front of me, and there are two people like being my co-musicians and stuff, and I was shitting pants. First song, Varnam gets done. Okay, I sang the Mayamala Uvala Varnam, Sarasi Janaba. Okay, finished it. Then one place I kind of got a little comfortable because something just happened in the middle. I think it was one of those moments that happened, and either this is one of these people, one of the co-musicians scream, and then I don't know that just like got into me. It's very random. Okay, it just got into me. அப்படியே உள்ள ஏறி பாத்துக்கலாம், இன்னைக்கு போச்சுனா போச்சு, வந்துச்சுனா வந்துச்சு, பண்ணியே தீர போறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு I started, and bro, I just gave a concert for 45 minutes. Okay, but that 45 minutes actually didn't feel like 45 minutes. When it got done, I was like, oh, okay, so much only. And then I saw the video, it's like some 45-50 minutes. I'm like, appo, so much I sang so much. So man, it's a kick, dude. It's a good high being on stage. And so the second final exam, one more thing, okay, the second final exam happened. I had A.S. Ranganathan sir accompanying me. So for those of you who don't know, again, Ranganathan sir is one mad mridangist. Okay, he's one of those people. So I don't know if you've sort of realized this, but Ranganathan sir has this ability to actually modulate his playing as per the room.
Yes.
Okay, it's ridiculous. He's one of those people. One thing, obviously, there's a mic directing the sound and whatnot, but he actually modulates his playing according to the place and the surrounding that he is with. And man, oh my god, like I can't even imagine, man. If I probably reach that state and all, I'll like become one Buddha or something like that, you know. I'll be like, why are we existing? What are we doing? All that. I'll probably become like that, you know. So for someone like him, he just comes, he's like, என்ன எடுக்க போற? He asked me before readings. I said இதெல்லாம் எடுக்க போறேன் சார், இதெல்லாம் பாட போறேன் சார். The day of the exam he comes, he's like, பாரு, அது நான் கிடையாது. ஓகே, பிச்சு உதறி பாடு, கண்டுக்காத, எடுத்து பாடு, கண்ட்ரோலா பாடு, நல்லா பாடு. என்னடா இவங்க இருக்காங்களா அவங்க இருக்காங்கன்னு பார்க்காத. ஸோ ஐ கெஸ் ஸோ அந்த இருக்கும்போது it felt really nice that you've also faced that similar dynamic before, and trust me, that was my second time getting up on stage, and I've only been learning this for 5 years, and he's somebody who's been learning it for a way much longer time. So for them to be supportive and then him giving his best, it's a two-way thing, I guess. So yeah,
it is correct.
Yeah, lovely. So listen, ரொம்ப performance better ஓவரா ரொமான்ஸ் பண்ணி போட்டான் அத. As a musician, okay, see, you'll have your Carnatic music listening dosage every day and all that. இப்போ எனக்கு வந்து I at least listen to one kriti or one exposition of some particular ragam before I'm going to sleep. So that's my ideal way. For lockdown la, I make sure I do that every time. Okay, this is the Carnatic music side. As much as you think, how much do you think listening to other genres also help you? Like to me, for instance, எனக்கு for instance, so this is something which just came out of this thing. I am somebody who grew up on metal music. Okay. Yeah.
I can see. I've been following you. You've got an amazing voice, man.
Hey, man, dude, are you saying this? I wanna like properly record this and like put it somewhere so that I can like show it to my parents, saying, look who's telling I have a good voice and all.
Like I admire that tone that you have.
Hey, man.
Amazing, man.
Broski.
Amazing, yes.
Broski, this means so much coming from you, man, because let's face it, see, we both are of similar age, but musically you are so much more senior than I am. So it to me, somewhere it gives me this thing saying, hey, you know what, I think I'm doing the right thing. I'm probably just heading in the right direction. Though our musical directions are very different and whatnot, but otherwise, right? And it feels great, right? So for somebody, so I'm somebody who's grown up listening to metal, and I still listen to metal. I go for gigs, and I'm one of those people who headbangs, who just goes berserk over stuff, right? And then Carnatic music happened. Okay, this is actually a very, I feel like, though people might have other genres, but this was my takeaway. The more you start listening to Carnatic music, no, you can actually listen to other layers in those other forms of music, things you would have never been able to hear before. Okay, அதே ஹெட்ஃபோனாக தான் இருக்கும், ஒரு பெரிய ஹோம் தேட்டர் சிஸ்டம் போட்டு அதெல்லாம் இருக்காது. ஓகே, அதே இதுவாக தான் இருக்கும். அது கேட்க 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 யூ கேன் ஹியர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லேயர்ஸ் அண்ட் தட் ஜஸ்ட்
Give you new
ப்ளோஸ் மை மைண்ட் அவே.
Yes, exactly.
ஸோ ஹவு மச் டு யூ திங்க் இட்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்? சி நிறைய பேர் இதை சொல்கிறாங்க, சொன்னல ஐ ஹேவ் டு பிளேஸ் திஸ் ஆன் ரெக்கார்ட். யூ ஹேவ் டு லிசன் டு அ லாட் ஆஃப் மியூசிக், ஹிந்துஸ்தானி மியூசிக். ஐம் லைக் ஓகே, வாட் எல்ஸ்? Hindustani bhajans. I'm like, dude, those are subsets. Those are not counted. That's cheating. You know? So how much do you think?
I'll also like
Yeah.
Cushion my
Go for it.
suggestions under the carpet.
Yeah.
Being able to listen to a lot of Carnatic music and practice that. If you want to get a beautiful color to your singing,
Right.
you have to listen to Hindustani.
Yeah.
You
Agreed.
have to listen to Hindustani.
Agreed.
And having said that, both are poles apart.
Satyama,
Except for
வேற level apart.
Shruti adherence, there is nothing common.
Shruti adherence and the motta swaram. I guess that's all. Yeah.
And now I listen to various artists in Carnatic music who have imbibed that Hindustani culture as well. I am a die-hard fan of Kalyan Raman sir.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Hell yes.
He is one crazy human. I won't even call him a human. He's
Like
one-
हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण हरि गुण हरि गुण गाओ हरि गुण गावत हरि गुण गावत गावत नाचोगे गावत नाचोगे हरे गुण हरे गुण हरे गुण
I've listened to MSG's Kalyanis.
Oh,
Kalyanis that MSG Mama
he
plays,
gets that, he
Carnatic
gets
style,
the Yaman.
Hindustani style.
Yeah, I know.
My goodness, you guys have to give it a listen. You have to
Yeah,
try
I know.
at least.
I
Because
know.
The same person, the same fingerings, the same techniques, but the sound that man produces. Is
Hey,
like
adala,
crazy.
it's I don't even know like we should like mention it because I don't know, and like it is
It's godly.
godlike stuff. It's demigods playing with each other.
Exactly, and
So
I'm a huge fan of classical Western as well. I listen
Okay.
to a lot of Western classic.
nice. So what kind of this thing that you, is there a particular artist's renditions that you like listening
I love
to?
Bach.
Nice, very nice.
I love Beethoven.
Right.
You know, Mozart is like, he's the Mozart.
Okay.
For no reason, you don't call a person Mozart a Mozart.
Right.
So, and I anything that is kind of melodic, I love. Even
Okay.
cinema song.
Okay.
My love for the yesteryear cinema songs, Tamil cinema songs, or any Indian cinema
Lovely.
songs
Lovely.
is something great. I start to tear up if I listen to MSV, G. Ramanathan sir
Lovely.
music,
Lovely.
M. Kirwani sir. Oh my God! Or even Kishore Khanna,
R.D. Burman?
R.D. Burman, of course.
Right. Nice.
So it's if you are to develop as a musician, you have to have a multi faceted approach, and you have to listen to a lot of different kind of music. You have to listen to folk. You have to listen to folk if you have to என்ன சொல்றது, இப்போ ஒரு காவடி சிந்து பாடுறோம்னா it is definitely folk. It has a Carnatic root to it, yes,
Right.
but it is folk. And
Right.
the folkness and the folk essence கொண்டு வரணும்னா you should listen to folk music, like தெருக்கூத்து கேட்கணும், கேட்டாதான் you will be able
Exactly.
to
In fact,
feel that emotion.
இது ஃபோக்குன்னு இவரை சொல்ல முடியாது. ஆந்தனி தாசன் ஒருத்தர் இருக்காரு, கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா? நிறைய வரும் அவர் பாடினவர். ஓகே, ஐ ஹவ் சீன் தட் ஹியூமன் பீயிங் ரெக்கார்ட். ஓகே, ஜிகர்தண்டா படம் இருக்குல்ல, ஜிகர்தண்டால பாபி சிம்ஹா சிங்ஸ் ஒன் சாங், பாண்டே நாட்டின் குடியின் மேல தாண்டி, அந்த பாட்டை மச்சா he gets into the studio, he's like, ஓ இதுதான் நல்ல லிரிக்ஸ், ஓகே சூப்பர், இதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம், இப்படிலாம் பண்ணிக்கலாம், சூப்பர் ப்ரோ, இதெல்லாம் படிச்சுக்கலாம், இதெல்லாம் வச்சுக்கலாம் சொல்லி he added a little bit of this thing to it. 15 minutes nailed, single take, over.
Wow.
ஓகே, அண்ட் இவருக்கு ட்ரைனிங் அது பண்ணாரு, அதெல்லாம் இது கிடையாது, குரல், வெறும் குரல். ஓகே, ஸோ இது சச் அ டேக் அவே. எனக்கு அப்படியே நான் 2 நிமிஷம் அப்படியே வாய் வெளியில் வந்துருச்சு, எனக்கு அப்படியே ஆன்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தது. ஐ லிட்டரலி டெவலப். ஐ வாஸ் லைக், நான் ஏன் பிறந்தேன், அந்த பாட்டுலாம் உள்ள ஓட ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. ஸோ யா, அது it's so important because நிறைய பேர், I have also seen this, it's ridiculous because நிறைய பேர் அது இதை வந்து a lot of people tell this proudly, and I don't understand how, you know, a lot of people are like, நாங்க வந்து I have this system in my house in which I only listen to Carnatic music, other forms I'm like, dude, no.
Okay.
And this is coming from a musician, by the way. This is coming from a very well-known musician, and I was okay, dude. There is so much more to this, because and you know what? This is something I've personally realized. I'm sure you would somewhat agree to this. There is much more to music than the 7-kilometer rule. You know, because
Of course.
You know, because a lot of them don't. They go on record saying yes there is so much to it and stuff like that, and they're like, yeah, in the battle and stuff like that. I'm like, dude, No, you are nobody to say that. The same person, okay, who will probably come and say, இந்த ராமான் எல்லாம் பார்த்தியா, நம்மளோட இதுலேருந்து 4 ராகத்தை எடுத்து அப்படியே கட் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி விட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் போட்டு போடுறான். Same Rahman calls you to a studio to come and record, you will bloody drop your pants and you will run over there. So this entire this things. Exactly. You're not going to be like, yeah, நான் அதுக்கெல்லாம் வர மாட்டேன், stuff like that, unless it is some 80-year-old person who has his own opinions. Let's not even go and try arguing with those people. But the point is, they are two different units and they are coexisting and they're living off each other, and it's about time that people acknowledge it. Because I've realized it's both ways. I'm not saying this side is this thing or that side is this. It's both ends of the spectrums. Where somebody is doing something, yeah, avana light music, but I'm like, what the hell is light music, boss? Like I don't understand that terminology. Excuse me, like have you recorded in a studio before? Do you know how difficult it is?
Yeah.
By the time you're done.
Correct. And to actually, let's agree to disagree, but
fair.
Carnatic musicians, you see, they are more open to listening to other forms of music rather than the other way around. Because I've met a lot of Hindustani practitioners who don't even give a shit about Carnatic.
Yeah. This I agree with. This I completely agree with.
And also see the other Western people who don't give a about Indian classical.
Totally. Illa, see, so
but on the other hand,
so that is the thing, right? It's very rarely that people are doing like this is what I'm saying. Okay.
Correct.
For instance,
yes.
It's a very scene driven thing is what I'm saying. And the circle, you'll have those 5 people, you'll have those 10 people coming. I'm saying, so see, as an audience, you can probably have that liberty. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, we were talking about the music and the approach to it.
Yes.
So as a performer, I think when you step out, a little bit, either you don't even have to try. You don't even have to try singing that thing, but just listening to it. For say indie pop, the 90s indie pop. Take something like Colonial Cousins. Okay, or take something like Alisha Chennai. அதெல்லாம் கேட்கும்போது you're just like, oh wow, இப்படிலாம் அப்படி பாடலாமா? So அந்த approach, how much do you think that is important?
Yes, and it makes you think out of the box as well.
Exactly. Either a lot of people don't realize it. I personally feel, because they're like, my views will get distorted. I'm like, what are you saying, boss? When you're in class, when you're getting bumbled by your guru, your views are not going to get distorted from that, for the love of God. So yeah, there is that. Yeah. What is the latest meme that you've been following, bro?
On Insta, I've been following the memes account and as well the Nammath memes, which is kind of funny actually.
It's damn funny. It's really
Bill
funny.
Clinton with Sastranamam Velkudi's.
They were the one who did that, no? With that was another one.
I saw this.
Carnatic music memes they did Donald Trump they put OSR Unsar's photo next to it.
It's funny, man. Ayyo.
அதாவது டொனால்ட் ட்ரம்ப் ஏதோ பேசிட்டு இருப்போம் ப்ரோ, அதுல ஓஎஸ்ஆர் ஒன்னு இப்படி ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டு
people are just crazy. They're going bonkers in this lockdown period. பண்டத்து வேற எதுல இந்த வரல வந்துட்டாங்க.
Bro, there is this page, I'm sure you'll know this page called Today Trending.
Okay.
Do you follow that on YouTube?
No, I don't.
I seriously advise you to go see it.
Okay.
அப்பா,
ஆமா, இது என்ன பிரமாதம்? இதை விட பெசலைட் ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. என்ன பண்றது? ஐயோ, இருக்கட்டும், யூஸ் ஆகும். சரி, வந்த வேலை முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, கிளம்புவோம். இங்க வச்சிருந்த செல்போன் அங்கயா?
உங்கதா? இந்தாங்க.
இங்க வா.
Bro, like his meme quality is so crazy, you know. அதாவது என்ன பண்ணுவானா, he'll put a particular scene. Okay, அன்னைக்கு இருந்த ஏதாவது ஒரு நியூஸோ அந்த ட்ரெண்டிங் ஐட்டமோ அதை பத்தி he puts and then he follows it up with a meme after that. Okay. அது படத்துல இருந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு சீன், தமிழ் படத்துல இருந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு சீன் எடுத்து போடுவான் ப்ரோ. யப்பா, how like அத பாக்கும்போதே you start laughing bro. அப்படி இருக்கும். Okay, of course everything is Vadivel template because Vadivelu is the god for all meme makers. Okay,
yes.
For every Tamil meme maker that is out there, Vadivelu is like their prime lord. Okay,
yes. Without him nothing is going to happen.
Nothing.
Avandri or
In fact, there's one place where he even mentioned this in an interview, no, where he's like, I have so much for the meme creators to thank me. It's only because of them that I'm still relevant. So that was pretty cool of him to actually
In a
say.
recent award function, he was saying.
Adala kuda he had spoken about this. I know which one. Is that the Kamal Haasan one?
I think, yeah.
Kamal Haasan odutli and the mari edo pesi. He spoke about Kamal Haasan and then he spoke a little bit about himself.
Yeah.
He's like, the meme creators la irukkranga paranga avangala da it was along those lines, but yeah, you should totally check out Today Trending for people who are like listening to it. Yeah man, it's some
I hope they are giving
memes.
something for the promotion that you're doing.
I
You're doing a good
hope.
promotion, bro.
I know. No, see, this is the so Today Trending. By the way, this is no non-sponsored post. Okay, this is coming straight from heart. Okay.
Let's make that clear.
And so, what is it that you've been watching? Like, is there something that you've been taking a break from all the practice and stuff and
Oh,
watching
yeah.
some movie or TV show or something?
Money Heist.
Super. Okay.
or
Which season are you in?
List. I've completed.
Oh,
I've binged watched.
அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டீங்களா?
4 parts in
அந்த
4
அளவுக்கு
days.
வந்துட்டியா bro?
Yo, bro.
நான் எப்படி bro என்னால முடியறதில்ல bro because I watched one episode, I watched 2 episodes and after that I feel so heavy, especially with Money Heist.
Actually,
I felt that,
I learned a lot about life itself through this Money Heist.
I know. Yeah.
It's so informative and it's so educative.
Yeah.
Solopona. And I was like, I couldn't sleep without watching the next episode. It was so tempting. Okay?
Wah.
And now that I've
Wah.
watched it completely, I'm kicking myself because there is no kind of next part until next year.
Next part for it. Right.
My God.
What else? What apart from Money Heist? Money Heist has become like the Game of Thrones now, no? எல்லாரும் அதை பார்த்தே ஆகணும் மாதிரி
Exactly.
ஆயிடுச்சுல.
Yeah. And apart from that,
So-
regarding movies, I'm a big Marvel fan, so I don't mind
Okay.
watching Marvel.
So did you
movies
subscribe?
again.
Did you subscribe to Disney Plus?
Sorry?
Did you subscribe to Disney Plus?
Yes, of course.
Super.
And
Hey, you know, I actually got it for a lesser this thing. How cheap and bloody Indian of me to say this. Before Disney Plus came in, no? It was Hotstar.
Yeah,
And
Hotstar
Hotstar was
came
only $9.99 for 1 year, okay?
Yeah.
So I just bought it. Because I knew Disney. So I've been following this news for a while because Disney Plus, actually, இது ஒரு last September they've been actually rolling out this thing. இந்த மாதிரி வரப்போறதுன்னு there have been news articles coming out. So நான் அந்த ஒரு anticipationல இந்த this thing I made sure I bought Hotstar also. And then they're like Disney Plus is also included. I'm like, yeah bro, I saved $500. I could fill one fuel tank of Activa with it, okay? Shut up. What will you do with 500 means I can do so much with 500.
my beast drinks half of it. I own a bullet
Super.
and I just go bankrupt if I take it out. So, and in this two months I've been feeling rich because I don't have to fill petrol that often.
I know, right? That's what even I tell people. I'm like, this lockdown is basically a savings plan that nobody wanted,
Yeah.
but it's still there.
Exactly.
Because lockdown.
I suddenly feel richer. Like rich
Guys,
is part
tell me
17
about it.
Something.
Tell me about it. But so Sunil, are you? So this is coming from the incomes perspective for a musician. Are there other things that you've also diversified yourself into apart from just performing? Because let's face it, I mean, because like of time like this, like you have these 3 months of this lockdown phase going on.
Yeah.
For performers, it's quite daunting. எப்போ முடியும்னு யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. So
I've taken a huge
so-
hit, like 15-20 concerts.
Okay.
I've cancelled.
Ouch. So is there would there be something where you could say that maybe I could try diversifying into that and probably I could try looking into it?
The thing is,
Something.
just because
I'm not asking this to you because I think this will also help other people is what I
Yeah,
personally
that-
feel.
that- that's where
It's
I'm
just my
fine.
2 cents. Yeah.
So the thing is, I had interests on doing options trading and stuff, and thanks to my family again, I kind of have a clear head space, you can say. You know,
Right.
just because you hit a roadblock doesn't mean that you have to change your ways. Is what they
Right.
essentially advised me. If
Fair.
there's a tough time, you have to go through it. You have to like.
Fair.
But for family people who are there, I'm a bachelor. I
Yeah,
I don't
exactly,
have to,
exactly.
like, contribute a whole lot to my family right now, so that
Yeah,
gives me a
yeah.
luxury. But people who are in who are running a family on their own and artists depending on
Right.
just performances for their survival, I
Right.
definitely suggest learning a few things about options trading, stock trading, where you can make money, harmless money. Don't get too greedy, because you have to learn a lot before you step in. If you step in, there's no coming back. So I'll say I'll advise people to just read about it and learn about it, so that you have a different kind of I won't say very sustainable income, but still,
but something to support you. Unless you hit the road again. Fair enough.
So that's my
fair enough. So apart from Marvel movies, what else?
Marvel movies apart, I watched I watched this Shikara movie. Man, it was amazing.
Nice? It was good?
Yeah, it was kind of very
nice.
Good, and I
haven't watched it yet, so
I felt very emotional watching it. Not because it's a Hindu-centric movie. I'm not a casteist.
No. It's got nothing to do with that.
As such, but it's truth, man. It's truth about what happened to Kashmiri Pandits people. It's just mind-boggling to see such a thing happening to any human being there.
Fair.
So
interesting.
It was very hard on me.
Right.
Apart from that,
I have started. You were saying something. Sorry.
How about you? What was the last
so mine I finished this thing called Kingdom on Netflix. It's this Korean web show which is very prevalent to relevant to recent times, because it involves spreading of a virus even in that. So think of it like Korean Game of Thrones with the whites from White Walkers thrown in.
Okay.
So it's something like that. Really good stuff. You should probably watch it if you have if Money Heist is your jam, then probably watch Kingdom. It's 6 episodes, 2 seasons are out, and whole thing is super bingeable and stuff. So I watched that. I'm watching that, and then I started with this another TV show called Bosch. So it's there on Prime. Bosch is about this. So it's apparently centered around this novel called as Bosch, a series of crime detective novels called as Bosch, which is around this detective called as Harry Bosch, which is done by this actor called Titus Welliver, who's an insane actor. Because like when you see him play the part, he apparently has very convincingly played it, though he didn't have the physical features for it and stuff like that, because Bosch's physical appearance in the novel is a little different from what this guy is, but his acting apparently just covered everything up, because he's just killed it in the show throughout.
I mean,
so I watched some 4 or 5 episodes.
Would Sherlock heads like it?
See, it's not a Sherlock sort of a thing. So that's the thing. So this guy is quite eccentric and all, but he's eccentric in his own way, which is a nice thing. It's a little slow. The show is a little slow in general, but the first season in general has been very slowish and stuff. But apparently from second season they just kind of realized where the writing went wrong, and they've kind of gotten it together, is what they're saying. I've been watching Homeland and Westworld simultaneously, because it's a weekly thing. Weekly or episode varo. So Homeland and Westworld have been on track. So that's what I've been doing. Hotstar. Homeland it's its last season, so it's next. This thing should probably be coming in a few weeks from now, or it should already be over whenever this episode goes up. Westworld I think it has 2 more episodes when this 2 more episodes going, and Westworld is in its 3rd season, and Homeland is in its series finale, so you can actually start watching it right from the first season if it is your thing, because it gets a little meh, but it picks up really well after a particular point and stuff. So I've been following it since a very long time.
Me being a big time sports freak, I watched The Test. It's amazing.
Oh yeah, everyone has been telling me about it.
It's amazing.
Although I'm not what is it about actually? Okay.
It was just lit.
I see. So interesting.
Your entire perspective on the Aussie team will change. It changed mine.
Fair.
It definitely changed mine.
Nice. There is another test madri. I think there is another documentary. I don't remember. I think it's explaining the NBA scene or something like that.
No, might be.
But when you see it, it gives you a very good perspective. The sport பத்தி பெருசா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் இல்ல அந்த டீமை பத்தி பெருசா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் தேவையில்ல. It was very well shot. Prime liya Netflix liya, I don't remember. It was either one of them.
Okay,
Epo paatha,
I think
long
it's in
back I
Netflix.
watched. Netflix okay. So பார்த்தேன், it was pretty interesting. நல்ல ஒரு ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷான ஒரு பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவாக இருந்தது.
Yeah.
And movies, what else? Oh man.
I think-
Hey, you have to tell us about your Mridangam journey a little bit. He is also a Mridangist. He'll say, no bro, humble beginnings and all, he can play properly. Okay.
Yeah, I just gave you proof. I have a very good Bhagya. And it has
Yeah,
very good Nadam
super.
to it as well.
Nice. Super.
Um,
So how did it start for you? And
Again, out of interest, I am big time into Layam. Layam and rhythm
nice.
are two different things, so don't get confused. Layam is very, very, very
a deeper
important.
aspect, I guess. Yeah, a deeper aspect of rhythm, I guess.
No, actually, yeah, you can see that.
ரொம்ப மேலோட்டமா சொல்லணும்னா rather.
Rumba, yeah, correct. That's correct. So I don't want to dwell into the properties and stuff, characteristics and stuff. It's just very as important as Shruti. Layam is as
Yeah.
important as Shruti.
Yeah.
Me always being fascinated in the side of the rhythm and Layam side. I wanted to learn it, and I learned from PB Krishnamacharya sir, a younger brother of my
Nice.
vocal guru Sri P.S. PB Sringacharya sir. After that,
Right.
I've had classes. I mean, I'm not a very regular and good student. I'm very, very bad at practicing Mridangam, and I don't go often. I'm being
Bro,
brutally
sorry
honest.
bro. I'm sorry bro. I occupy that position, bro. I'm not going to let you overthrow my throne, bro. You should see me play the Mridangam, bro.
Maybe that's for your vocal. I'm being
Everybody,
here for the
please,
Mridangam.
please check my Mridangam covers. Be spectacularly surprised.
Namaste. I'll be doing a small Mridangam cover. I've been practicing it genuinely for a while, and I hope you guys really enjoy it.
Yeah, you're saying.
So yeah, I
4 years I had to learn it, okay. I was actually genuinely very interested initially and all, okay. Because percussion, Jayo and all. And then that instrument started happening to me. I'm like, what is this, dude? But the one good thing about it was my rhythm game became a little decent. Like I could actually now I can distinguish between decent mridangam playing and bad mridangam playing. To the point, like like when I'm seeing on stage, like sometimes it happens, right? Like there are some people who just like run like Usain Bolt, and the other persons are trying to control them, and yeah, like you reduce my mic volume, you reduce his mic volume, then it will become one battle of mics, okay?
Yeah.
But
Exactly.
so there are times like when I see this, I'm just like, oh wow, this is playing, this is amazing playing, and then there are just times I'm just like, whatever. Yeah, so there is that.
Yeah, so I learned from B. Ganapati Ramanana and B. Shivaramanana, the amazing
I see.
musicians.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not definitely not going to take this as a second profession. Let me just put it out there and just learn
Yeah,
for the
fair.
fun of it, and
For the
also
fun of it, yeah.
it helps in a lot of other aspects as well. So yeah,
Fair.
that's it.
Fair. Macha, thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, my pleasure.
we've spoken, we've not spoken, we've spoken. What have we done? We have been. What are you going to do? Okay.
There's nothing that we've left.
I think.
Discuss.
We'll conveniently say that to ourselves. ஒன்றும் பண்ணல எதுவும் பண்ணல ப்ரோ நிறைய ஒன்றும் பண்ணல you know, it's like that Vadivel this thing in one of the movies, no, அவன் அப்படியே பேசிட்டே இருப்பான். Okay, he'll be like the maid servant of that the hero, you know, அப்படியே ஏதோ ஒன்று இருக்கும். He'll have one of those characters, okay, where he'll be like she'll tell him, or he or she, one of them will tell him that நான் வரலன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அவங்க வரலையா உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்ல okay, the entire bloody this thing only goes அந்த மாதிரி தான் இது the discussion, no? Any last words before you want to wrap this up? Any last words before you want to wrap this up? Some plug-in, follow me, whatever. I'll anyways put all link and all, but anything that you want me to like, where you can say okay இது பண்ணலாம்.
Be positive, pray for entire humanity and entire living world.
Yes.
And also pray that Vignesh gets to adorn the stage very soon in all the other fields, not only Carnatic music, and I hope that he starts a new western band, metal band for himself.
Yeah, something that's only dreams are made of. That's what dreams are made of. So
I don't think so. You are pretty close to starting one.
I hope that happens. The sooner the better.
I hope Vignesh even finds a beautiful woman for himself. I mean,
why bro? It's so bad. It's really it's quite a task finding a woman for yourself in Chennai.
That's correct. And I hope that that lucky girl gets to find him soon, and I get to eat a very good Kalyana Sapadu. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Super. What a plug-in he has done. Okay. Don't go outside. Do not go outside, okay? You meet people.
And it's serious.
Shut up and stay inside your house. Okay?
Yeah.
Chacha jajanya, tata dadanya, tata dadana.
Papa baba
Next
bye.
video. Best segue, bro. Best segue.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay?
Sari gari sari 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 papa paga gari gari sari paga sari sa 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 sari 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 ri papa gari ri gari sari si papa gari ri gari gari sari ri sari ri sa papa si lugar. Papa ga papa sa papa ga papa sani pagari